Good morning, saxophone fans, and greetings from the command and control bunker of Saxgourmet World Headquarters here at the birthplace of jazz, New Orleans. All right, you guys have been driving me crazy wanting to have a sound sample of the all-new Delrin Dragon's Tongue mouthpiece. And I'm going to give it to you. I'm not going to give you a lot, but I'm going to give you enough just to tease you. Now, I've also had some requests to compare this to other mouthpieces. And I want to tell you right now, I am happy to do that. All you got to do, send me the mouthpiece you want it compared to. Make sure it's a 105 so we get a apples and apples comparison. Now, Delrin is the material of the future for mouthpieces. We love it. It machines beautifully, and it's enabled us to do some things like putting threading inside the tone chamber and some other tricks that really make a huge difference. This is the future. So let's listen to this. And by the way, this is a 100% made in USA product. I'm playing a Saxgourmet Super 400 Series 2 with a #1 neck. I'm using a Harry Hartman carbon fiber reed. So here's a little bit for you. Okay, that's all you get for a quarter. Remember, this is Steve Goodson saying practice long tones every day. Keep your reed wet and get yourself a Saxgourmet Dragon's Tongue.